How to do anything television brings you a new video to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a very large file on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as a very large file that we have compressed into a zip file to save the time for deletion. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to the Find application, locate that zip file that we have compressed of a folder. There we have it, 13.67 gigabytes. Right click, move to bin, go to the bin, empty the bin. Are you sure you want to permanently erase the items in the bin? This action cannot be undone. You can't undo this action. Empty the bin and keep your eyes on the top right corner where we have the Macintosh hard drive empty. And there we have it, restored to default. Close documents. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.